Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily into technical analysis video. Let's get straight into the charts. Alright, before we get into the charts, this is the Crypto Finger Index. We are hitting the 13 levels. This is a good sign, and I will explain why. For all of you who are wanting to gain access to a free class, free course, check it out. The application is in the description. So go ahead and fill it out. If you meet the criteria, I am accepting all who meet the criteria to gain access to this free course. It is on basic technical analysis. So if you want to understand candlesticks, support, resistance, all the basic stuff you need as stepping stones to learn more and make money in these markets, then check it out. It is for free. And if you are accepted, I'll shoot you an email. And that's that. Shout out to all you in the Patreon. Chuck, Timothy, Jose, David, Richard, Jesus, Humelitinian Man, Joseph, Terry, Adam, Ian, Mr. Joyner, Team, David Marsh, Burnt, Rama, Micah, Hujik, Jason, Justin, Bob, and Jonathan. You guys are legends. We are making money in the Patreon. Check it out. Links in the description if you want to join real-time buy and sell alerts. Dogelon Mars, price. Let's get straight into the charge. Bow! Alright, you see what we're going on here. Now, it looks like we are creating a small double bottom right around these 4-5 levels. Alright, so this is a good sign. This is a very good sign. However, it is not a confirmation candle that we will be continuing to the upside, nor is it a confirmation that we have created a strong floor yet. Okay, we are still in a downtrend, and I will show you guys some more in-depth technical analysis by dropping time frames so we can see more price action here. Look at this. If you look at this downtrend right here, you know, we're slowly hitting the top of this, okay? But we haven't broken through it. We want to break through this and hold above it with 3 candles, okay? Once we do that, that is a good sign that we have started to create a floor, okay? It's still not confirmation because we can still come down and put in a triple bottom. If we do that and we bounce back higher, breaking through this downward resistance line. I almost said downward dog for a second. I don't know why. I was talking about yoga yesterday. Anyways, if we break through this downward resistance line in a triple bottom, what's a triple bottom, you might ask? If it comes back up, comes back down, and then breaks through, that is very, very bullish because it will show that we have tested it once, we have tested this level twice, and we are testing it for the 3rd time, and it has pushed higher, which means buyers are not allowing it to go lower than this, and there are no more sellers to come in and push it lower. So then again, all of this is pegged on Bitcoin. So if this was an independent coin, right, which it is not at the current moment, that means this triple bottom could hold, right? However, if Bitcoin continues to drop, we will also see a reflection in Dogelon Mars and every other coin in the market, which is a good thing, my friends. It is a good thing, and this is why. I'm going to pull up Bitcoin real quick, so stay tuned. This will only take a couple seconds. Boom, we are up 4.6% today in Bitcoin, holding above these $30,000 levels. Major spike, major buyers coming in. Now, what does that mean? It means that, okay, this is nothing, all right? This is nothing. We are seeing a little bit of buying pressure. However, it is not confirmation that we are about to go higher, all right? This could be just a little stepping stone before we go lower, in fact. And hopefully we do go lower because we will see much pain in the markets. Now, our portfolios will be taking a hit in the short term. But my friends, this is not about the short term. Unless you're day trading, then you can make a lot of money on this drop here, if we do drop. However, if we come back down to these $24,000 levels, it will put so much pain to the people. A lot of people will be selling their bags. A lot of people already are, as you can currently see with this volume. Okay, that means retail traders are getting out. And what are the big money investors doing? They are starting to average in. This is how the markets move. Boom. It's how it moves every single time. So, my friends, stay tuned because we have a long journey. We really do. Now, as it comes back down, we could see it hold here for a couple more weeks. What do we need to be doing in those weeks? We need to be averaging in, okay? Don't average your complete portfolio in if you are playing a long-term strategy like we are doing on this channel. For all of you day traders, I'll get to you after the long-term strategy. However, we could be holding around these $24,000 levels for a couple weeks. Now, it depends on the buying pressure. If we come down, touch it, and move higher, that is a good sign that most of the retail investors are out and the institutions are buying this back up. However, if we hold around here, that means there are still retail traders that are holding, that need to get out before the big money comes in and pushes it higher. So we have one of two options if it does come down to these $24,000 levels. The first is to see it come down and bounce up. Most likely come back down and bounce higher. Alright? So this is a major inflection point where it comes back down. Buyers step in and push it higher. This means that these $24,000 levels are strong support. Alright? Now, this is our second option. We can come down, bounce up, coming back down, create another low, and continue to create lows. Now on this triple, we got to watch because it can go higher and break this downward trend line or consolidation period, because we will be in a range around here. Now these are all hypothetical numbers, but this is the general play that is going on right now. So we will break through these consolidation periods, this top resistance line on these third level. That is the most bullish. However, if we see some selling pressure come back down and create a four bottoms, that is where we need to watch. Okay, however, we just need to wait because we don't even know if this is in play yet. It is currently not in play, and we need to wait. So if we start seeing Bitcoin come down to these $24,000 levels, which will be very nice, really will, that means it will have to break through this triple bottom that is currently creating. 1, 2, 3, and this is major right here. These are major support lines. Now we already have broken through the very bottom of it once. However, we did see some buyers step in and push it higher. Okay, however, it is not pushing higher with the volume that I would like to see in order for this to be considered a strong floor, which makes me think that we will continue down to these $24,000 levels. What does that mean for Dogelon Mars? That means Dogelon Mars will also continue to follow, and Dogelon Mars will continue to head down to these three levels. All right, these 3 to 2.5 levels. Okay, this is major, my friends, for all of you who have been waiting, for all of you who have been averaging in. This will be the time to get bags, because if we do see this low of a price on Dogelon Mars, honestly, I don't know if we will, my friends, because these buyers are very strong, and these buyers are holding as Bitcoin has been falling. So we shall see what it does. But all I'm saying is, if we do come back down below these threes, if we go anywhere below these threes, it is prime time buying action, my friends. Because what does that mean? Threes, 100% is right back up at these sixes, pretty much right where we were a week ago. 200% is right around here. All right, that is major, my friends, because you will see compounding like never before if you get in below these threes. Okay, so that is my opinions, not financial advice. Crypto Billionaire 69 opinions. However, my friends, this is what crypto's about, my friends. If you can't handle the downsides, then you don't deserve the upsides. So, my friends, check out the free class if you are interested in. If you really don't know what I was just talking about, check out that class. It will teach you resistance, support, candlesticks, all the basics that you need to know in order to build upon that and create a more specified trading strategy to consistently make you profits in these markets, my friends. That is what we're here about. We're here to make money, all right? Now, it's not about the money, and that's something you'll learn in the course. But we are here to make money, or else we wouldn't be here. I understand that. And check out the Patreon, real-time buy and sell alerts, so you can learn while you earn, and you don't have to be checking these charts at work all day long. I do it for you, and I alert you when it's a good time to buy. All of you who have been in the Patreon and gotten around, let's see, When was that previous alert? I do believe I got it around these 4.2 levels. Somewhere around these levels, right? You are still in profits right now. Now it is not major. It is not major. However, you are still in profits in a lower market. But the Patreon is more for long-term holders that want to get in and hold until that 10x gain, okay? So, if you're interested in that, check it out. Links in the description. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69. Out.